So you may recall that Texas has the worst uninsured rate in the United States. And in 2019, the census said we had 5.2 million uninsured, over 18% of Texans. But you're probably already wondering, how has the pandemic changed that? And you're right to wonder about that. In fact, the early estimates we have indicate that with over 3.8 million Texans having filed for unemployment benefits, that our uninsured number may have jumped up by 1 million Texans already. So by January, we may be looking at over 6 million uninsured Texans. Another topic that you probably heard about is Medicaid expansion. Texas is one of only 12 states that hasn't expanded Medicaid under the Affordable Care Act. And Medicaid expansion would be the single most powerful public policy tool that the legislature could use to remove a big chunk of that uninsured population. We think 2.2 million or more uninsured Texans could be covered by it come January of 2021. Now, who are we talking about? These are frontline, hardworking Texas workers in all of the industries that we absolutely can't do without, everything from restaurants to nursing homes to hospitals, even childcare workers. So we need these essential workers. Many of them are at high risk of infection. Many of them have physically demanding jobs, and a Medicaid coverage could help not only their family's economic recovery, but also their community's economic recovery. As we go into legislative session, we're all aware that the pandemic has also driven down tax revenues, and so Texas will be dealing with some budget issues. And so the question comes up, well, can we afford to do Medicaid expansion and pick up anywhere from 1 million to 2 million of these uninsured Texans? The answer is a clear and absolute yes. In fact, we have a brand new study that you can find on the Episcopal Health Foundation website showing that Texas would actually save more money in the state budget from Medicaid expansion than it would actually cost us. In addition, it would bring billions of your federal income tax dollars back to Texas. So Medicaid expansion is a huge win-win. It'll be one of our top priorities in the upcoming legislative sessions.